Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav Kumar. I am from Patna, Bihar. I have completed my BTech in Computer Science from SRM Institute of Science and Technology in 2024. After that, I am looking for a job and got to know about Evision Technoserve, which is an IT recruitment and consulting company. In Evision, I had joined online full-day job internship program under guidance of IT managers and administrator, where I got real-time work experience in the trading technologies like N+, virtualization, Windows administration, CCNA, and ITIL. These all modules are taught by very good trainers by Evision. They will start from very basic to advanced. They also take mock interviews which helps me to improve overall. Glad to say that I got placed in Startek company and they offered the salary of 3 LPA. I have to say that Evision helped me a lot. I have learned so many things which make me more confident. Thanks Evision HR which support me anytime, and thank you Evision team. Thanks.